people, hey, the difference is clear. Hey, no be small thing, no, my people. Hey, no be small interview. My people, make una gather here. If you be obedient, gather here. Don't forget to share this video, viral this video, make everybody for see this video. So, no be small thing. Men I see this man when they use man till they tease Obi. Say Obi na onyera, you know. Obi na dirty person, something like that. May Obi come out, may Zuzu come out. May I see this man, whether he do okay, he with Obi, who they okay pass. Not be smart, you know, all those people, Agbado na cassava. I understand. Oh God. Is it Ewa? Is it Agbado? Is it Gary? Everybody go soaking Gary for the country. Everybody go tired. Then I go swell up. Not be smart. If you see this man so, if you see this man so wanna they see for my stream here. If you see this man so, the way they talk, they use man till they tease Obi. Make una check this man well, whether he with Obi, who they okay pass. No be smart. I don't know why some people don't like this movement. Some people don't want made light come that country. May everywhere beautiful as Obodo Yibo beautiful. I don't know why. What did they do for inside darkness? I don't know. They still work for bad people. They want to vote bad people. I pity some people. Make una wake up. Make una wake up for una slumber. If una check that country, you know they as it did there before again. Make una dey there. Make una no wake up. Make una still they drink ogogoro. After una don't drink akpe. Ona go talk say, oh, make Obi come out. Make Obi do this one. And this one, I want the support. I be Agberu. I be this one. Now this one, I know eye of the street. Now this one, I know Agberu. So everybody go turn to Agberu. Even the graduate one go turn to Agberu. My obedient people, not be smart, you know. Make una use eye to watch this man and the P2B. And this one, when they talk, say, na the other one, na you know eye of streets. Now you know the pain of Agberu. Everybody know be Agberu. Many for that country, many na graduates. Many na graduates. How graduate go talk to Agberu? My people, may you not come be say, I too talk, make una listen when they ask them, Obi and the other party, so which one they prefer? They use matter they tease Obi. The one when love Obi, and I go no say that one graduate, that one know something, that one don't come out for darkness. And I understand. Everybody, people when they support Obi, they not be dundee at all. They don't say they smart, they be graduate. If you check and many are graduates. All these people when they support some all these parties, they never work out. The Agberu still did the eye. If they break, they will just drink akpe. They go drink a kind. They go lie down. They go use the kind eye to pitilize their wife. They go say life don't finish. Life never finish. Make una try, make una travel. If una travel, all these Agberu people when they street, when they talk, say, na that man I know eye of Agberu, how Agberu take the walk. Make una wake up. If una travel, una go no say. Wetin can they happen in our country? Say, not be so, it's supposed to be. Yes, so may we change the narrative. May we change another thing. May we turn to another thing. Who like poverty? Who like to they swim inside poverty? Nobody. Nobody. Okay, my people, make una watch.
Make Obi smell. You know Obi is a smelly man. We won't vote for him. We will vote for Jagaban. By the grace of God. Jagaban, the next president. Tinubu, we will vote for him. He will enter. By the grace of God.
I choose Tinubu because Tinubu is a man of integrity. Yes, and Tinubu also look down on streets. Yes, it's only Tinubu who know about the streets, who cares about the streets. Among three of them, so I choose Tinubu for this election. You know, see all those Igbo men now, men not on the full law everywhere now. I know say Nigeria no be a country where need law for street boys. So people big go. I they look at like person who go to pull law for different kind of angles. When it's good, yes. Because na Igbo man, you go on to use brain the operators.
If Peter Obi does not win the election of 2023, I have a lot of people that have already told me that they are going to leave the country. A lot of people are leaving already. A lot more people are still going to leave. And Nigeria is going to find itself in a very, very disastrous state, in which the sense that we the physically and mental people cannot deliberately choose those who are not mentally and physically okay to rule us. So it's going to be a disaster if Peter Obi does not win.